Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually doing a first impressions and review on this Glam By Manicare Glam Xpress. For me, this is actually their new eyelashes range. They're quick and easy in applying your lashes. This is also got the one eyeliner includes lash adhesive for effortless and instant lash application. So simply line, lash and go. So I'm really excited to try this on, guys. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I just wanted to find out if I can actually recommend these products to you guys, and if it actually does work on my hooded eyes. Please keep on watching. Alright, so this is actually retail for $34.99 Australian dollars, and you can actually purchase this from Priceline, from Chemist Warehouse, and also from the manicare.com.au website. You actually get the lashes, and you also get the eyeliner pen, guys. So I actually did cut them already on the right size for my eyes. So if you guys, I'll be showing that on the screen now. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try this on, guys. So it stated on the instructions that I have to line the so apply the eyeliner on the top of the eyelid along the natural lash line, and then immediately apply the lash on top of that eyeliner and then press it. So let's just try. So the felt, this is actually what the felt eyeliner look like, guys. So let me just try it now. Okay, and then I'm gonna go and apply the lashes straight away. Then I'm just gonna press that in. Oh my gosh, it's so easy to use, guys. Not like with the ordinary lashes where you have to put the glue on. And normally you have to put in your eyeliner first and then put glue on your lashes. So that's actually saving me a lot of time in applying lashes, guys. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy with these lashes so far. It actually did stick on straight away, guys. So normally when I have to apply my lashes, I actually have to making sure that everything all secured, but this one here, it actually all they're all secured, guys. Eyeliner actually very easy to use, guys. So I actually didn't have any problem with my hooded eyes. All that I've got is the number 73, which is the Mia Louise. So this has actually got a two full-bodied mink effect lashes. So I think I also picked the right style on my hooded eyes also, guys. So as you can see the difference, guys. So let's do the other side. I'm so happy that I've actually be able to try this on today, guys. And they actually feel really comfortable on my eyes too. These particular lashes are actually not heavy on my eyes. And yeah, so the only thing that I've got on my eyelid was just a loose powder, guys. I just want to make sure that you know, there's not going to be any excess oil on my eyelid, so in that way it's easy to put the lashes on. So yeah, so I'm really happy with this so far, guys. I mean, if you guys are actually looking for a quick and easy in applying your lashes, I highly recommended this Glam Manicare, guys, which is the Glam Xpress kit. I know they're a bit pricey, but I know they're actually worth in getting them, guys. Especially stated you can actually use them up to 30 uses. Just keep an eye on sale, guys. Most of the time, Priceline and Chemist Warehouse in Australia, they actually do have them on sale. So just keep an eye on that, guys, so in that way you'll be able to save some money. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I hope I've actually did help you out. Down below, guys, if you used this product before, and I would love to hear your feedback, guys, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.